Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you beautiful garden decoration ideas. Friends, I will share you, so I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So friends, my first idea is friends, first add colorful flower make your garden fresh and happy. You can use pot or plant them in the ground. Second, use very large hang lights on tree or wall. At night your garden will look magical. Third, place small chairs or a bench. You can sit to relax and enjoy nature. Chairs make your garden cozy. Fourth, decorate with stone and path. Make a small walking path. It's look clean and stylish. And friends, add water elements, more foundation or water bowl. It's perfect. It's give a peaceful feeling. And viewers, my next idea is lastly, use handmade items. You can decorate pot or recycle all things. It saves money and look unique. And friends, and my next idea is weavers. I hope viewers you enjoy my videos, so please subscribe to YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. Viewers, so Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video, friend. So Khuda Hafiz day. So happy, so friends.